Introducing Marsback, a mechanical wireless keyboard with customizable RGB backlight designed for gamers, designers, programmers, and anyone else who likes to enhance the time spending on their computers. Marsback is using a CNC handcrafted body with a translucent opaline PC material, turning the keyboard into a kind of atmospheric light. Besides the 84 LED lights on the switch, we specially designed 21 extra ground lights on the base, fully customizable so you can match whatever style works best for you. The light at the body and the keys can be controlled separately, allowing you to customize different lighting setups for both areas. And you can easily customize switches and keycaps according to your preference and change to your favorite style anytime you want.